Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Cam Watch, and the title of the video is Entitled Family Gets a Much Needed Reality Check. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
On December 20th, 2024, police were dispatched to a call of a disturbance where a neighbor was refusing to lower his loud music. Upon arrival, officers were met with non-compliant teenagers and chaos erupts.
How's it going, guys? Officer Macias with Clovis Police Department. We're getting complaints about the music. You guys just...
There's nothing wrong with the music.
Well, if it's playing a little too loud, we're getting neighbor complaints. You just need to keep it down just a little bit.
There's no noise ordinance.
Excuse me, I'm Officer Orem, Clovis Police Department. Yes, there is. City ordinance says for loud music, for loud noise coming from a residence or a car, all right, is 25 feet from the real property line. All right, it doesn't have a time of day on it. All right, so turn your huh?
I'm more than 25 feet away from
and you can hear it, right?
Yeah.
So that means it's too loud. If you can hear it farther than 25 feet away, it's too loud. So turn it down. Turn it down. Turn it down. All right, give me your ID card. Give me your ID card.
What?
Because you're going to get a citation for loud music.
I'm going to turn it down. Just give me a damn second.
Then go turn it down.
All right. Shit. White boy.
So what's the limit again, though?
Got a complaint about the loud music. Huh?
So I'll definitely let my parents know about it.
Okay. That's fine with me.
Hey, just
Turn the music down.
I did.
I can still hear. Give me your ID card.
For what?
Because I'm giving you a citation.
No, sir.
Give me your ID.
No, sir. Do not touch it.
Get away from me.
Do not touch it. No.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Hey,
Quit it!
Wait! 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 Stop!
Quit!
Oh my goodness. You can't make this up. Listen, as soon as I seen the lady cop, man, I said, oh yeah. It's going down, boy. It's going down. That I ain't see a female officer the whole time. But once that chick got out of order, oh yeah, female officer popping up, and you got her screaming grape. You know what I mean? Like, get out of here, man. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, it's YouTube sensitive, so you know what I'm saying. Listen, it rhymes with grape. Okay, that's what she's screaming. Just ridiculous. These kids, no home training. They call the cop. He said, "All right. White boy, you're white. So what? Like what? Like did you catch that when the kid was walking away to go turn it down? And he ain't even really turn it down, but he like, man, I ain't man, white boy. Hold on, boy. He don't look peanut butter chocolate to me, boy. So you white. Like, what the heck is he talking about, man? Golly. Man, these dudes, man, these kids.
Yelling! Cause y'all over here trying to get in our property! Get the off of me, bitches! Right! Funny to me, I'm not on Georgia. So y'all touching me. Okay, well. Wait. Cut it out! Cut it out! The f are y'all touching me for?
Quit it. Stop now.
Okay.
You're just making it worse. Quit. Quit resisting, and we will quit.
Y'all are not arresting me. Cut it out! Stop resisting!
Quit it. Can you stop? Can you
No.
stop?
I am not gonna stop. Cause what the f are y'all touching me for?
Quit.
The f are y'all touching me for, bro?
Quit. Are you gonna stop?
No, because what the f are y'all touching me for? Call my parents! You hit me! You hit me or you kick me? You're gonna pick up another charge. Call my parents now!
Quit.
Y'all got me f***ed up.
Man, y'all better body slam her to the ground.
Both y'all's name now. Okay.
You got her? Quit.
I didn't even touch any of y'all. I told him not to go after my brother.
Quit it.
Stop! You took
Quit.
I told you to stop!
Quit.
See, I was about to say, like, damn, normally the lady cops, they definitely with the shits, man. She was kind of passive, man, but okay, now she's starting to get in the mode, you know what I'm saying? Now she's starting to get it right. Cause I'm like, yo, this a little girl, man. Y'all better what? Get her right, get her together, especially the female officer. You better tighten up, man. She giving you a run for your money. Like,
Quit.
I told you to stop!
Quit.
yeah, she getting it together though.
Do it now. Get your hands behind your back now.
Hold on, what? My son is in my parents' taxi car.
Go.
Get on the ground now. Put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna tase you.
If you don't
Put your hands behind your back or you're getting tased.
let my sister go,
Now.
I'll cooperate with
Put
everything
your
I have.
hands behind your back. Tim, Travis done?
No, I haven't done.
Put your hands behind your back. Now.
Put your hands behind your back.
Do it now. Put your hands behind your back.
For what? I didn't.
You concealed identity.
I was
That's
about
breaking
to
the law.
Don't move or you're gonna get tased.
I
You
asked
understand?
several times.
I was about to give you my identity, but you rushed onto my property.
I asked you several times. No, it ain't.
Without a warrant. It's
Nope.
against the law to go on someone's property. Yes,
Wrong.
it
Okay.
is. Hey, you old cop bitch for noise, you old mother. Just move the out, you old. You sorry ass for being your mom in the house. You don't make her die, you sorry mother. You a sorry.
You did this, young man. You did this.
You
You did this because you wouldn't
Keep
tell me
that
who
guy
you
back.
were. You wouldn't give me ID.
I'm on my own.
You did
I'm on
this.
my own property.
And you were going to get a citation, and you decided you didn't want to give me your ID.
I was going to turn down my music.
Don't touch.
I'm not touching it. That's my work knife.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna put it back here in your truck. Okay. Okay. Here, walk with me this way.
All this music for some
New
music. Hey, this is sorry ass song. Hey, they did music. They did it for music. I had my music playing and the neighbor called the cops.
Hey, do me a favor, because I know you're not trying to, but when you're yelling, you're spitting on me.
Oh, I don't
Okay.
care. I don't care.
Don't spit on me, okay?
This is sorry. Y'all are sorry.
Okay. Well, and we can talk about that,
One,
okay?
2, 3,
but
4.
you need to relax. When you start
Five,
resisting, that's what happens, man.
Five fucking cars.
I want to know where are your kids? My kid is with my parents, and my parents are at home right now. How old is your kid? My son is barely 7 months. 7 months? Yes, ma'am. And he's there by himself? No, he's with my parents. Where do your parents live? My parents live here. They are gone. Here? Yes, they are gone right now. Look, they're right there. Okay. Let me out, please. Okay, so you didn't have to do that, all right? You didn't have to do that either. You lay hands on me. Yeah, because you would not stop resisting. I was not resisting. I just told you not to lay hands on my brother. Okay, so
Just the music. But y'all came on our property by harassing and jumping, right?
what?
No. What happened?
So we came here. There's already 2 officers.
Oh boy. I could tell where the kids get it from right off the rip. This guy don't even know what the hell is going on, and he's like, "Yeah, y'all came and y'all jumped on him, didn't you?" Bro, listen to the story first. Like, you don't know what's going on.
On scene, they ask your son to lower the music. He wants to sit here and argue, saying that he can do.
He can.
No, he cannot.
Why not?
Okay, so they called and complained about the music. Okay, and they called
But
the
there's
call.
an ordinance, he was not passed it. But go ahead.
Okay, so whenever he told him to stop, the officer asked for a driver's license. Okay, he said no, he was not going to give him the driver's license.
Parked in the street.
Huh?
Parked in the street.
Who?
You've been parked, right?
No, he was not parked. He was right here, and he kept arguing with the officer about the ordinance, the music, whatever. Okay?
It's an ordinance. At that point, an ordinance is still a law. Once you break one of the laws, and he's advising him,
If on property.
it doesn't matter if you're on property. Same way as if you're having a party on your property, if it's too loud,
That's
they
a
can
certain
call.
time, man.
Nope, decibels. So if we can hear from a certain distance, that's still. Yeah. Okay. So then he's playing it.
Nobody here has a
Yeah.
decibel meter, right?
You don't need decibel meter. So we're not based on decibels. We're based on feet. So if it's more than 25 feet, okay. So from a distance, they're able to hear it. Okay. At that point, they could just be like, "Hey, just turn it down," and they just have to ID them. They don't.
Everybody sees something out of bread.
Because they started resisting, they started fighting. That's all that happened.
Well, why you trying to put your hands on him anyway?
Okay, so failure to ID, that's concealing ID. He's concealing his identity, he didn't want to ID himself.
Well,
Okay?
you don't have an ID, so how are you supposed to do that?
Huh? No, so then they detain him, and then once if he wants to give them their identity, he can give them their identity. He didn't give them their identity, so that's concealing, resisting, and then disorderly, okay? So at that point, he has 3 charges on him.
That's my property. You are my property.
He's committing a crime. He's committing a crime.
I did not commit no crime, you old man.
What's she doing? Tell me what crime is she doing?
Okay, and there's a regulation of how loud you can have this music, man.
Okay,
Now that okay.
Don't get in my face and yell at me.
I haven't moved in.
Okay, well don't get yourself in my face. I am taking your breath.
If anyone that's calm right here, it's me. I'm not.
What? Yeah, they came onto our property. They came
started
and
harassing you
attacked
guys?
us. Yeah, we're pressing full charges on you, and everybody.
On me? I just pulled up, but
These parents are sorry, bro. This gotta be the lowest form of life, boy. Instead of reprimanding your kids and letting them know right from wrong, the parents is just as dumb. And it just trickles down. It's like what's the saying? The apple don't fall far from the tree. This is exactly that. The lady couldn't even get out what she wanted to say before he's jumping down her throat, talking about, it's our property, whatever. He could play the music, whatever, blah, 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 blah. No. No. There's a distance. Just because you own a property does not mean you could play your music as loud as you want. Like, where does that come from? 25 feet. You know what I'm saying? Or yards or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, every city has it. You know what I'm saying? City ordinance or whatever. Every city, town, whatever has it. So people only think about the times, which typically the time is like, I think, like, I don't know. For me, it's like 10 at night to like 8 in the morning. I'm pretty sure it's like 10 to 8, which is like quiet hours or whatever, right? Where you shouldn't be blasting your music and stuff like that. And then on the weekends, I think it goes back to like maybe 11 or something like that, right? But every city or whatever has its ordinance. So, nah, this guy, look, oh yeah, they came up there harassing you, right? Yeah, like the cops just showed up out of nowhere and just wanted to pick on your kids. No, they were called there because they're blasting music. Simple shit, man.
Call Zach too, please. I've been having a f***ing breakdown all morning, and these motherfuckers come up and want me to come on our property and take our
This nonsense guy over music. Y'all get out of
like
hand.
y'all are how old, bro?
Y'all gotta get out of hand. Yeah, do.
Okay, like I said, all they had to do was identify themselves. All they had to do was identify themselves. That's it. They didn't want to do that?
And what is she going? What did she do? What did she do? She resisted.
And how did she resist? How was she? What was her problem for all this? Because you came for him, not her.
Exactly. But whenever he tried to go hands-on with him, with the other officer, with your son, she jumped in. Okay?
Okay, that's a sibling thing. You would stick up for your sister or brother too, wouldn't you? Right? You're not listening to me. I'm talking to you. Answer me.
I'm not going to sit here and argue with you.
Or you would stick up for your brother or your sister too, right?
I'm going to sit here and argue.
Ma'am,
Of course, because you're a stupid.
ma'am. None of that's necessary.
I don't give a what's necessary. Not necessary what you guys are doing either.
Okay. You weren't here, ma'am.
My cameras were here. I can see everything.
Ma'am.
Do you not understand that?
Did I yell at you?
I don't give a you yell at me or not.
Okay, well, I'm just saying is that I had officers here.
Okay, my cameras see everything too.
Then I would be at that time in court for them to show.
That's right. I have my cameras. They've seen everything.
Okay, but I was just explaining to you.
Okay, you're explaining
You
to
asked
me.
that
You didn't
why she was
tell
being
me.
arrested.
You didn't tell me nothing about my daughter. You said one. I didn't know nothing about my daughter until I walked in right now and looked at my Now I find it was my daughter. I'm like, what the
All right.
That's right. I'm just letting you know, don't step in my yard. If not, I'll let my dogs loose on you. Think I won't? I'll let my pit loose on your
So
ass.
that's a threat right there. You know that, right?
I don't give
The male suspect was released to his parents due to him being a minor, but was given a loud noise citation. His sister was charged with resisting arrest, battery on an officer, and concealing identity. Thanks for watching, and remember...
Good for him. Good for him. This is, yeah, they're probably Hispanic. You know, the father kind of looks Hispanic. So now that reminds me of when I was like, well, you know, you're white. You know what I'm saying? Like when he made that comment earlier. But man, the parents terrible. Kids terrible. They are not gonna be productive members of society. They think they entitled is the right title for this, because this is absolutely ridiculous. Like, it's like, damn, you don't got to follow no rules. Like, you don't, just because you have property does not mean you get to do whatever the fuck you want to do. Anyways, man, I think the officers, man, I mean, I would have liked to see them get a little bit more, because she was giving them a run for the money. Like, so I'm like, that female officer, she better, I don't know, she better start taking some wrestling lessons or something. Like, she gotta, because I'm like, damn, what the hell take her so long? Normally the females be, get them together, like, especially a female. Like, come on, man. You know, so, yeah, she was giving them a run for that. They money, boy. They got to go back and get they grappling moves together, man. I don't know. They got to do something. So I'm going to get them like, man, these officers, man, damn. They did all right, but as far as the hands-on aspect, they got to do a lot better, man. Got to do a lot better. You know what I'm saying? But overall, I get them a 3. You know, 3 out of 5. You know, regular shit. You know, regular shit. You know, nothing too crazy, man. Let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did. And yeah, man, I'm gonna catch you in the next video.